Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second tutorial on the new beginners tutorial series. Before we this tutorial is based on the finger practice, so we are going to learn how to put our fingers, position our fingers on the strings, on the frets, how to move around it, so that when it comes to learning the major scales, the minor scale, the pentatonic, or any other scale that you would love to learn how to play in the future, you wouldn't find any difficult because you know how to move your fingers around the fret. So let's start with how to put the guitar, how to position the guitar. You realize when you have an acoustic guitar, or even if you have a lead guitar, there's some kind of curvature here. So it is designed for your thighs. So put it on your thigh like this and make sure it is straight, standing straight. Then you push it to your chest. Then your hand should support the neck of the frets, the fretboard. So that's for your left finger if you are not using a left-handed guitar. So your left hand will be here and your right hand relax on the guitar. So let's start with the finger practice. So the guitar is usually tuned to E, B, D, E, B, G, A, D. E. The guitar is usually tuned to E, B, G, D, A, E. Yeah, that way. So E, B, G, D, A, E. So that's when I play it open. So if you can recall from the first tutorial when I was teaching you the keys, if I press on this fret, I make sure that I press the string to the board, to my flesh touches the board, I'm able to get the next note that comes after B. That is, this is the E string, sorry. So the next key that comes after E is F. So this one will be C. This one from G to G sharp. Okay? From D to D sharp or E flat. From A to what? A sharp or B flat. From E back to E. So E, F. Yeah, so let's start with the finger practice. So we want to position our fingers. So we are using the first 4 frets. We are limiting our movement to the first 4 frets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So your index finger will take the first fret, your middle finger will take the second fret, your ring finger will take the third fret, and your pinky will take the fourth fret. So let's start. Let's focus on the first string first. 1. So you can pick the string, plug the string with either of your fingers, whether you like your index or your thumb. I can choose to play with any of them, so any of them that you are comfortable with, try and do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Try not to make your hands static to avoid straining your fingers, straining your hand. So try moving like you are walking. So then you can move to the other strings as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, Since you are starting, I advise you move slowly. Or if you are okay, maybe you can move as fast as I'm trying to play. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are on the third string. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So with time you see that you be gaining some speed, some momentum. Then you can move a bit faster. Yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. So you just want to keep on practicing. I advise that you keep on practicing until you watch the next video. So so that you'll be okay when we start the major scale, the do re mi fa sol la ti do. Yeah, see you next time in our next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel. See you next time.